One quick thing, Don, that I always get asked is, a lot of clients are used to going to the Wells Fargo's, the Chases, the B of A's, all of that stuff to get financed at home. Right? It's natural. I bank with them. They'll give me a deal, that kind of thing, whatever. So why should I work with you as opposed to going to Wells Fargo, who I've had accounts with, or even my credit union for that matter, that I've had accounts with for 15 years? What's the difference?
Well, here's the difference. Customer service. We have a team with my branch that we work with the client. So you're not just dealing with a corporate call center. You're not going to Wisconsin when you're doing a loan in Arizona, dealing with somebody out of state in a processing center for your home loan. We are here, we are local, we are reachable weekends, evenings, throughout the week. And the other thing is we underwrite to the true guidelines. So we don't have overlays with Academy. So I'm underwriting to the true FHA, VA, USDA conventional guidelines. Many lenders have overlays, or they might be maxed on a debt ratio, whereas I am not. So there are differences between you using a big bank, which no realtor really wants their client to go through. No offense, big banks. But we will provide a higher level of service, and our rates typically are just as good, if not better. We also have the ability to broker loans with Academy. Okay. So I'm going to shop you for the best deal when I'm setting your loan up.
So you're basically saying that to get me the best rate, to get me the best terms that are available to me, you're not just fishing in one pond. You're casting a wide net everywhere, and to either match, beat, or exceed what you're presenting as far as the loan package goes?
Exactly.
That's awesome.
We also don't charge upfront fees to get a pre-approval done for you. Once you go under contract, that's when you'll have your appraisal fee and your earnest money deposit. So we don't have an upfront application fee, which is huge as well.
Your earnest deposit also goes towards your closing costs or whatever as well. So it's not just a fee you're being charged, it's just money that's being held for when you close. So, that pretty much is everything in a nutshell. And quite frankly, speaking from on the realtor side, it's faster. A lot less headache, a lot less, back and forth or whatever the case may be. And that personal touch makes a difference for you as the client, but for me as the realtor working on your behalf, for me to be able to call Dawn on a Saturday night asking about what's the status of your loan, are we going to close on time? So that way when you have moving trucks scheduled, you have all these things scheduled, and I need to make sure that you're not going to be wasting money on something, on deposits or whatever. It's so much easier for me to call Dawn and say, Dawn, what's the deal? And it's just straight up, here's the deal, here's some potential whatever, and then I can communicate with you and you'll know exactly what to expect. And we're all just on the same page. And that's the biggest thing, is nothing gets lost in communication.
Experience matters.
Oh gosh, so much so. Mm-hmm. So again, guys, the whole point is your journey is covered from start to finish. This does not have to be scary. And now is the time to buy. Trust me, now is the time to buy. You can name your stakes. Let's do this together. Let's knock it out of the park.
Date the rate, marry the home. We can always refinance you when rates come back down, which they will eventually.
It's like a second date kind of thing.
Do I get some flowers?
Do I get flowers?
Come on.
Orchids. I'm a lily guy.